Hi guys, welcome to my channel where we talk about personal finance and how to create passive income streams. In this video, we will be discussing how you can make passive income from the stock market and where to invest to generate passive income. Firstly, let's define passive income. Passive income is money that you earn without actively working for it. It is the money that comes in on a regular basis whether you are working or not. One way to generate passive income is through the stock market. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you can create a regular stream of income. Dividend-paying stocks are stocks that pay a portion of their earnings as dividends to shareholders. These stocks are generally issued by established and stable companies with a long history of paying dividends. Dividends can be paid out quarterly, semi-annually or annually. To make passive income from the stock market, you need to invest in dividend-paying stocks. Here are some tips on how to find good dividend-paying stocks. Take a look for companies that have a long history of paying dividends. These are established companies that have a track record of consistent dividend payments. Though look for companies that have a high dividend yield. Dividend yield is the percentage of the stock price that is paid out in dividends. A high dividend yield means that the company is paying out higher percentage of its earnings in dividends. Look for companies that have a low payout ratio. Payout ratio is the percentage of earnings that are paid out in dividends. A low payout ratio means that the company has room to increase its dividend payments in the future. Now let's talk about where to invest to generate passive income from the stock market. Here are some options. Take individual stocks. You can invest in individual stocks that pay dividends. However, this requires research and analysis to find good dividend-paying stocks. Though exchange-traded funds, ETFs are a collection of stocks that track a particular index, such as the S&P 500. There are ETFs that focus on dividend-paying stocks, such as the iShares Select Dividend ETF. Dividend mutual funds. These are mutual funds that invest in dividend-paying stocks. They offer diversification and professional management. Dividend reinvestment plans. DRIPs. Some companies offer DRIPs, which allow you to reinvest your dividends to buy more shares of the company's stock. This can help you compound your returns over time. In conclusion, the stock market can be a great way to generate passive income through dividend-paying stocks. To find good dividend-paying stocks, look for companies with a long history of paying dividends, high dividend yield, and low payout ratio. As for where to invest, you can choose individual stocks, ETFs, dividend mutual funds or DRIPs. Remember to do your research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and advice.